while the chicken is cooking, I wanted to tell you real quick, you may as well buy your chicken breast in bulk. I get a big bag of it. This has about 9 pieces in it, and what I do is, because they're frozen in a special way, I'm able to take out just what I need in the bag, reseal it, and throw it back in the freezer. Nutrition facts for the chicken, they're 120 calories roughly for 4 ounces of chicken. That yields about 24 grams of protein. So if you're trying to pack on a lot of muscle like I am, 2 fillets is perfect. Ladies, 1 fillet is awesome as a main course in your meal. Chicken is super easy to prepare, so go ahead and stock up on the chicken and the fish and the really easy stuff like that. So when you run out of really exciting things to prepare, you can always resort to the basics, which I consider to be chicken breast and the white fish. Okay, try this at home, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.